extra virgin olive oil? Yes or no? Can olive oil reduce risk of heart attack and stroke? Yes. Reduce risk of type 2 diabetes? Yes. Helpful in those with type 1 diabetes? Yes. Will it make you fat and cause weight gain because it is oil? No. Does heating olive oil make it toxic and break down its nutrients? No. Olive oil doesn't decompose when frying. Can olive oil eliminate brain fog? Yes. Strengthen the bones? Yes. Help with fatty liver? Yes. Raise cholesterol? No. Raise triglycerides? No. Can olive oil reduce risk of Alzheimer's? Yes. Lower insulin levels? Yes. Reduce blood pressure? Yes. Cause acne? No. Reduce facial pain disorders? Yes. Is regular olive oil as healthy for you as extra virgin olive oil? No. Can cooking with olive oil increase the medicinal properties of foods? Yes. Improve gut health? Yes. Increase inflammation? No. Reduce risk of cancer? Yes. Is light olive oil better for you? No. Help with breastfeeding? Yes. Antioxidant? Yes. How much extra virgin olive oil should I eat to get the health benefits mentioned above? 14 grams or 1 tablespoon per day for days per week. Click the link in my bio to see the scientific reference.